Today, some delicious coffee and banana bread. So guys, let's do it. So to make this soft, moist, delicious banana bread, we're going to want to start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees. And then you want to take a large mixing bowl, and the first ingredient, we want some bananas. So for one loaf, take 3 or 4 bananas, and you want to chuck those into the bowl. Now a little disclaimer, the more ripe the bananas you use, the darker the banana bread will be at the end, but also the better the flavour. I always like to use nice ripe bananas, and so my banana bread always comes out really dark after the baking. But don't worry, it's not burnt, it's not dry at all. This is just a result of the high sugar content in the bananas and nothing to worry about. And just at this point, to help things along, you want to start to break up the bananas with your hands. The next ingredient, we want a couple of good quality free-range eggs. So crack 2 or 3 eggs into the bowl, and next up, some peanut butter. Best to use smooth peanut butter, and if you can, try and find one that's made with 100% peanuts. So go in with about 3 or 4 heaped tablespoons of the peanut butter. Once that's in, you want a couple of teaspoons of some baking powder. And then for our coffee, use freshly brewed coffee, allow it to cool down, and you want anywhere between 3 and 5 tablespoons. And lastly, some vanilla extract. I like to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of the vanilla, and once that's in, start with a fork, and we want to mash everything up together. Once everything starts to come together, you want to get in there with a hand masher and mash away. This can take a good 5 minutes or so, and you may get sore wrists, but keep working it until you have a beautiful, smooth batter. And then at this point, we want to take some chocolate buttons and chuck in a good handful. Retain some for the top of the loaf, stir the chocolate into the batter. There we have it, a nice thick, gooey, lovely batter. Don't worry if you've got a few little lumps in there. It's banana, not flour, so it's not going to affect the final product at all. But get it as smooth as you can. And then from there, you want to pop your batter to one side, and we want a nice square loaf tin. And then I always use grease-proof paper. So cut off a sheet, fold it into the sides of the loaf tin, and then from there, we're ready for our banana bread batter. So ladle it in, and once your batter is in the tin, you want to finish it off with another sprinkling of your chocolate pieces. There we go. Give it a tap to remove any air bubbles. Our banana bread mix is ready to go. Now that is ready for the oven. Bake this off for anywhere between 30 and 40 minutes. And very quickly guys, if you can just hit that subscribe button below to join me here on the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Thank you very much. After about 25 minutes or so, the best way to check if it's done is to run a nice sharp knife into the loaf, and it's done the second that that knife comes out clean. It will take about 30 minutes or so. So after about 35 minutes, this loaf is good, and so get that out of the oven, and then you just want to let the loaf sit and rest for about 15 to 20 minutes or so, just so it kind of sets and cools down a touch, but you can eat it warm. And then you want to get your loaf out of the tin, remove the greaseproof paper, and there you have the most delicious coffee and banana bread loaf. And so there it is guys, what a beast. All that's left to do is to cut off a nice few thick slices, and there we have it. Ooh, that is so soft. That is insane. So there it is. I'm looking forward to this. Wow, that is the real deal. Soft, moist, cakey, a little bready. This little loaf is packed full of flavour. Stick a pin in me, because I'm done. So give it a go, and I'll see you next time.